Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy wine reduction sauce. This versatile sauce elevates many dishes from steaks to roasted vegetables. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite red wine, 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 small shallot, a sprig of fresh thyme, and 1 bay leaf. Let's get cooking. First, let's build our flavor base. Take 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and melt it in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your finely minced shallot. Sauté the shallot gently for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes translucent and fragrant. This initial step is crucial for developing a deep, aromatic foundation for our rich sauce. Now for the star of the show, the wine. Carefully pour 1 cup of red wine into the saucepan with your sautéed shallots. Add 1 sprig of fresh thyme and 1 bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it reduce. You want to reduce the liquid by about half, which should take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This concentrates all those wonderful wine flavors. Almost there. Once your wine has reduced, pour in 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth. Continue to simmer the sauce for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Finally, remove the thyme and bay leaf, then whisk in 1 tablespoon of cold, unsalted butter. This adds a beautiful sheen and richness. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Enjoy your perfect wine reduction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.